right, for number 20, we have to find the area of, again, the shaded region. So this one, we have 3 different parts. We have this top trapezoid here that we are going to find the area of. Then we're going to add on the area of the middle rectangle. So that's that middle portion. And then lastly, we're going to add on the area of the bottom trapezoid. Alright, so when we are finding area of a trapezoid, that is going to be 1/2 times the height times the 2 bases added together. Area of the rectangle is the base times height. And the area of the second trapezoid, we're going to use the same formula. It's just a little bit different because we will be using different numbers. Alright, so looking at our first trapezoid, the one that we highlighted red, we have a base 1, that's 6, and a base 2, that's going to be 4. And using this information, we are going to find out what the height is going to be. And if we look, they are using the same variable for the height, which means that they have to be equal to each other. So we know if we look at this shape that the full height of the entire thing is 6. So we know that has to be equal to the height of the first shape plus the height of the second shape plus the height of the third shape. So that means we have 2 h's plus 2. And if we solve this equation, we are going to figure out that the height of each of those trapezoids is going to be 2. So now we have enough information to find the area of the first trapezoid. So we can plug in all of that. Then we have to find the area of the rectangle, which is just going to be the base times the height, which we know are 2 and 4. So we're going to multiply those together. And it doesn't matter which one you put first, 2 or 4, because you're multiplying, you'll get the same answer. And then our last trapezoid, we know the full base is 8 on the bottom. And then the second base is the same as the length of our rectangle, which was 4. So our area is going to be 1/2 times 2 times 4 plus 8. Once we have all of that information, you can type it all into your calculator, or you can simplify before you do. It's up to you. But if we take 1/2 times 2, that equals 1. So we're going to have 1 times 10, which is just 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Then 1/2 times 2 again is 1. And 1 times 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 times 12 is 12. So for this one, we get 12 plus 8 is 20, plus another 10 is 30. And that would be our final answer. So you can either type it all into your calculator, or you can just solve it mentally for this one. And that would give us our final answer for